if I going on YouTube, you can see this is all video are subtitle here. This is really attractive, and if I click on Mr. Beast video, you can see this is all video are have a subtitle, and I really like.
I just bought 1,000 Samsung phones, and I'm going to be giving them away to random people that subscribe. Like Jose, here's your brand new Samsung phone. Ship it to him. I spent over $1 million on these phones. If you all, I just bought 1,000 Samsung phones, and I'm going to be giving them away to random people. For the record.
Next on.
As you can see, I'm trying to break.
The next.
I grabbed 100 people from age. Can you spot the humans hidden behind me? This is true.
So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create those type of subtitle for your video. It's absolutely free for join. So first I'm going to on submagic. This link I will attach in description below. When you click, you are redirect to this website. First you need to log in here. This is enough. So log in here, you can see this is dashboard. Just click on new video. So just drag and drop your video. So I want to upload a video. This is my video. So my video language are English. I select English. If your video have Portuguese, just select Portuguese and select any other language. So I want to select English because my video language are English. So I'm waiting few seconds for processing. Okay, once you have done, you need to select theme design. So this one
Defense protect his new yacht from 100
and this one.
cannonballs, or will we start this?
Wow, this is really good for me, and this is perfect for me. So I want to click on caption. Here are any mistake if you have found, just click on each by each, and everything are editable and deletable. If you want to delete a content, just add a new consistency. This is you will able to delete. So alright, skin, you can delete anything here, so I'm not need. So if you want to add any other element, just here are option available. Just click on boost, AI hook title, AI description. So I don't need this one. So my ones are already done. So I want to download this video. Just click on export button, then again click on export. So if you are want to download this video with watermark, this is free. But if you want to use for business purpose this video, you need to upgrade your plan. So I want to just click on export. So this is a I need few seconds for processing. You can see this is already downloaded.
This defense protect his new yacht from 100 cannonballs, or will we start this video over with a new contestant? Phase 1 of 4 has begun.
I'm nervous.
All right, Sean, we're about to fire the cannons at your new yacht.
Wow, you can see this video are really attractive and beautiful. So if you want to make this type of video just using this tool, I highly recommend you. So if you want to more videos to type of, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.